Hello everyone, welcome to Q&A Academy. In today's class, we are going to discuss about questions based on units digit of a number. Now, let us see the first question. The first question is, what is the unit digit of 279 plus 167 into 342? So, first of all, let me write the question 279 plus 167 into 342. Now, can you tell me in this what are my units place? My units place is going to be 9, 7 and 2. Now here what I have to do according to BODMAS rule. First thing what I have to do, I have to do multiplication or not. So first thing I have to do multiplication. So I'll be multiplying both 7 and 2. What is 7 into 2? 7 into 2 is nothing but 14. So in 14 what is my units place? 4. That 4 I am going to multiply with 9. What is 4 plus 9? 13. So 13, in 13 what is my units place? My units place is 3 and that is going to be my answer. Understood all of you? So let us move into the next question. Here you can see what is the unit digit of 1570 whole square plus 1571 whole square plus 1572 whole square plus 1573 whole square. Now, if you have to solve this question, here first of all what you have to consider? You have to consider only units places. Here what are my units place in 1570? 0 is going to be my units place. In the same way, in 1571 what is my units place? 1. In 1572 my units place is 2 and in 1573 my units place is 3. Now here if I calculate what is 0 square? 0 square is nothing but 0 only. Plus what is 1 square? 1 square I'll be considering it as 1 and next 2 square. 2 square I'll be considering it as 4. Next 3 square. 3 square I'll be taking it as 9. 9 plus 1 it is 10. 10 plus 4 14. So in 14 what is my units place? My units place is going to be 4. That is what your second question. Now let us move to the third question. Third question, if you observe, here you can see the question, what is the units digit of 679 power 32 plus 817 power 84 plus 776 power 532 plus 985 power 87. So this question how we have to solve? If you have to solve this question, yesterday I have already told you about units digit of a number, yes or no? In that we remembered some of the table which is very useful and important. So once we will try to gather those table and we will try to find out the answer for this. So yesterday we have taken table for 2, 3, 7 and 8. Now if I get remainder as 1, so then what I have to take? I have to consider the same number which is 2. If I get remainder as 1 for 3, I'll be consider same number 3. For 7, it will be 7. For 8, it will be 8. So for 2, 3, 7 and 8, if you are getting remainder as 1, then what you'll be considering? You'll be considering 2, 3, 7 and 8 only. See, if you didn't watch my previous video, if you have to understand these questions, definitely you have to watch units digit of a number, that previous video, and then only you try to listen to this video. Then only you'll understand these questions. Okay. Now, if I get 2 as my remainder, if my remainder is 2, for 2 what it will be? For 2 it will be 4. For 3 it will be 9. For 7 also it will be 9 and for 8 it will be 4. Understood? In the same way for 3, for 2, if my remainder is 3, then I will be taking the opposite number which is 8. For 8 I will be taking the opposite number 2. In the same way for 3 I will be taking the opposite number 7. For 7 I will be taking the opposite number 3. Now next if I go to 4, which is nothing but if my remainder is 4 or 0, mostly it will be 0 only, it will be not 4. So if my remainder is 0, then what I have to take? For 2, if my remainder is 0, I'll be considering 6. For 8, if remainder is 0, I'll be considering 6. For 3, if my remainder is 0, I'll be considering 1. For 7, if my remainder is 0, I'll be considering 1. So this is the table which is very important. By using this table only, we are going to solve these questions. Not only this, I have already told you about 4 and 9 also. 4 power odd. 4 power odd will be 4 only. 4 power even. 4 power even will be what? 6. In the same way, 9 power odd will be 9. 9 power even will be what? 1. So 5 power anything is 5 and 6 power anything is also 6. So by using those numbers, I am going to solve any power of the number whatever they have given. Now here if you observe the question first of all, let me write the question. What they have given? 679 power 32 plus 817 power 84 plus 776 power 532 plus 985 power 87. So here what I have to consider? I have to consider only my units places. What are my units places I have here? 9 power 32 plus 7 power 84 plus 6 power anything or plus 5 power whatever they have given 532 and 87. Now here if you look at here, whenever you are taking 9 power 32, what is the rule you are going to see? 9 power odd. Here can you tell me whether it is a 9 power odd number or not? No, it is 9 power even. If it is 9 power even, then what you have to take? You have to take 1 plus 7 power 84 they have given. 7 power 84 means 84 you have to divide with what? 84 you have to divide with 4. If you divide with 4, how many times? 21 times it is 84 and your remainder is 0. If your remainder is 0, for 7, what you are going to take? You are going to take 1 and that is going to be your answer. Now here 6 power anything is what? 6 only. In the same way 5 power anything is what? 5 only. Now 6 plus 7 plus 1 8 plus 5 13. So in 13 what is my units place? My units place is going to be 3. So I hope all of you understood the question. So we'll move into the next question. Now here if you see the fourth question, the units digit in the product of 2, 4, 6, 7 power 153 into 341 power 72 they have given. Now here this part it is very, because here what is my units digit? My units digit is going to be 1. Now in this what is my units digit? My units digit is 7. So for 7 you will be considering divisibility rule 4 only. Yes, if you are considering divisibility rule 4, 7 power 53 you will be taking. 53 you have to divide with what? 53 you will be dividing with 4. So 4 ones 4, remainder is 13, 4 threes 12, remainder is 1. For 7, if remainder is 1, what it is going to repeat? Same number it is going to repeat, which is nothing but 7 only. If you multiply with 1 power anything will be 1 and the answer going to be 7. What is your units digit of a number here? Your units digit of a number is 7. So if we move into the next question, how many numbers are there between 99 and 1000 such that the digits 8 occupies the units place? That is what they have mentioned. Now first thing what I have to do, I have to check how many 8s are there between 100 to 200. If I can find that question, remaining it will be very easy or not? Now all of you look at here. What they have mentioned, between 99 to 1000. Between 99 to 1000, how many 8s are there in place of units digit they are asking. Now first what I will do, I will calculate from 100 to 200. If I calculate from 100 to 200, how many 8s I will be coming? All of you see here 108 I will be getting. Here 8 is in my units place or not? In the same way 118, 128, 138, 148, 158, 168, 178, 188, 198. So up to 198 only I am considering, because I am taking from 100 to 200. If I am taking from 100 to 200, I'll be calculating from 108 to 198. Now between 108 and 198, between 100 and 200, how many 8s I have in units place? Now we'll start counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many I have? 10 8s I have. So these 10 eighths, if I start calculating from 99 to 100, how many are there? They are telling. Now I know how many I have in between 100 and 200. Now where I have to count? Up to 1000 I have to count. Now between 100 to 200 I have 10. In the same way, if I consider 200 to 300, it will be again 10 or not? Yes. 300 to 400, 10, 400 to 500, 10, 500 to 600, 10, 600 to 700, 10, 700 to 800, 10, 800 to 900, 10, 900 to 1000 also, 10. Now if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, if you multiply with 10, total how much you'll get? 9 into 10 is nothing but 90. So between 99 and 1000, how many 8s you have in place of units place? Now how many 8s you have? You have 98 here. So these are the basic questions. In this, some of the questions they have given in the competitive exams as well. So if you can understand these questions, and if you can understand the concept, whatever I have told yesterday, then you are going to get the complete idea about units digit of your number. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching.